All right, fam, look where we're at. Palisades Dam. We're gonna go fishing. We got Knox with us. Good luck, Charm. My baby. She's gonna get something out of the car. We're gonna have her hooked up with a worm, and then I'm gonna be casting some new stuff. I'm not sure with this weather. It's a little crazy, but Knox has got sticks already. It's going down. Alrighty, first fish. Nice little cutthroat we got right here. I'm gonna try to reduce the handling. It's probably a good 12, 14 incher. Just caught her right here at the edge of the bank. Wow. Beauty. Put her right on the lip.
Woo!
Nice little cutthroat. She's going back in. Ooh, she's off. Good fish, good fish. Wow, now we have to stay here 5 minutes longer. You know how it is. All right, we're here at the dam, Palisades Dam. Gonna see if we can catch some fish. We were here last night. Got this little clip of this one I caught. I'm gonna add it to this video because I didn't actually get it all the way on GoPro. But my baby's got a worm on. I'm gonna throw on some lures. With all these fish coming up out of the water though, I might have to go get my fly pole out of the car. Haven't really caught a lot on the fly, but could be today. Booyah! Get the net.
I'll be honest, I didn't think you were going to catch them before me, but...
There's the truth on the GoPro.
You got it on the... They were eating me up. Come on.
Just a little guy. Oh, he's pretty.
Where is he?
It's a little cutthroat. Oh, his friend was following him.
Got it on camera?
Yeah,
Nice.
caught it on camera. You want to hold the fishing pole real quick?
Yep.
Knox, back away. You better not make me fall in the water, Knox. Okay.
Hi, little guy.
Good little fishy. You see him right there?
There he goes. No.
There goes Knox. Stabbed right through the silicone, I think.
Oh yeah. It's like webbed through it. I can't believe it. Nice. Jordan, nice. Is this one of the new ones you got?
Yeah.
Who gave you the gift card?
I think Sierra.
Gracias, Sierra. Huh.
I guess for the GoPro, that's what I just caught it on. Little rooster tail. Thanks, babe. Alright, fam. I don't have any smaller weights, but you could cast it without the weight. Yeah, no, they would be more game to grab it without weight. Yeah, if you just see it naturally flowing, like floating down the, like a worm just floating down the stream. I'll move. All right, fam, that's a wrap. I only ended up catching one fish. We gotta go. Definitely a good spot. Hopefully, if you guys go, shoot me a message. Tell me how it went. Looks like there's a lot of people fly fishing, so I didn't have the patience today to go fly fishing. So lots of so's, but it's a good time. Lots of fish there. Definitely jumping out of water like crazy. So catching these little tiny bugs. I tried to put on the tiniest little fly, but I don't have enough in me to get it all the way out there. So good time, but next time.